too many times. Oil darkens and develops an increasingly bitter flavor with repeated use, and leftover food particles burn further with each use, contaminating everything fried afterward. Oil can typically be reused a handful of times if strained properly, but most cooks push it far past that point. Skipping the resting rack. Placing fried food on paper towels traps steam underneath, softening the crust you just created. A wire rack lets air circulate on all sides, keeping food crispy instead of steaming itself soggy in its own residual grease. Not salting immediately, salt applied right after frying, while the surface is still hot and lightly oiled, adheres properly. Wait too long, and the surface cools, causing salt to bounce off instead of sticking, leaving uneven seasoning. Inconsistent food sizing. Frying dramatically different sized pieces together guarantees uneven cooking. Smaller pieces overcook, while larger ones are still undercooked in the same oil at the same time. Uniform sizing ensures everything finishes together. Ignoring the batter rest. Frying immediately after battering often causes the coating to slide off during cooking. A short rest, even a few minutes, lets batter adhere properly, producing a full, even crust instead of a patchy one. Putting it together. Temperature control matters most. Oil too cold or too hot both ruin the result in opposite ways, and overcrowding recreates that same failure even at the right starting temperature. Beyond heat, small details matter. Drying food, choosing the right oil, consistent sizing, and letting batter set before it hits the oil. Subscribe to Bite Audit, because getting fried food right isn't luck. It's a handful of small decisions most people never think to question.